Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Adi Fitri bin Muhammad Fazli and my partner is Azrul Fahmi bin Ahmad Khairuddin. We want to present about industrial training FPA210. For the content, we have introduction, organizational background, company, summary of tasks, work experience and technical content, conclusion, references and appendices. For introduction, objective of the report is to produce students that is responsible for their work by providing enough evidential documents that related to work. Second, to expose the students on how to provide a proper document. And third, to provide a work document efficiently. Objective of industrial training is to provide to students the feel of the actual working environment and to gain practical knowledge and skills. Second, to produce graduates who are credible, creative and pro-efficient. And third, to provide the students an opportunity to escalate and understand the practical aspect of their academic program. Outcome of industrial training, we can improving students' soft skill attributes. Second, to strengthen self-confidence to enter the realm of work. And last, to enhancing the spirit of honesty, trust and responsibility. Next is organization. Organization background. The Faculty of Plantation and Agrotechnology was established in 2010. University Technology Mara. The mission of the faculty is to play the vital role of producing well-trained professionals in all areas of plantation and agriculture-related industry at national and international level. Organization history. The Estate Management Unit (UPL) of UiTM Pahang was established in April 1988 at the Kuantan campus for the purpose of supporting the Diploma in Estate Management (DPIM) course. The Farm Management Unit is responsible for providing places for practical training and research site for DPIM lecturers and students. UiTM Pahang has been allocated 1,000 acres of land in Mukim Cenoh, Maran district in Bandar Jeka. So in October 1991, the Farm Management Unit started its operation. A total of 500 acres of land has been allocated for the development of plantation activities. So this is the map that shows our fieldwork location. This picture is show the Estate Management Unit organization chart. So this is the summary of tasks we have been through along 6 weeks, which is start from Fruit Valley, Nursery, Livestock Farm, Microsis and lastly Pineapple Farm. Next, for our work experience on first week at the Fruit Valley, we have been going to do a hauling activity. For the hauling activity, the equipment we use is hoe, bucket, plastic bottle and pH scale. For the procedure, firstly we must make a hole between tree and row by using a hoe. Then sprinkle a fertilizer needed inside the hole, and then check the pH meter after compact back the soil and leave the hole for 2 to 3 days for the mixture of the fertilizer. The material used of the holing is the fertilizer of Aviafit Basal, which is the price is Rm 48 ringgit for 1 sack. And second, we use a CIRP fertilizer around 50 kg, which is Rm 30 ringgit 1 sack. And thirdly, we use ground magnesium limestone for RM 30 ringgit for 1 sack per 25 kilogram. And last we use 1 kilo of furadan of RM 15 ringgit per sack. The total is around 123. On the second week, we have go to the nursery place. We have been conduct to do activity of transplanting plant. The equipment we use is hoe, measuring tape and bamboo stick. For the procedure, we start to do a lining by poking the bamboo and measure it using a measuring tape. After done, holding can be done by using a hoe, and then put the seedling of torch ginger inside a hole that has been made, and then landfill in the hole after putting the seedling. When it was done, clean all the equipment used and keep it in the store. The material cost we use on transplanting torch ginger is RM 50 ringgit for 1 unit of seedling. And for this activity we use 55 seedlings, so the total we use of RM 825 ringgit.
On the third week, we have been conduct to do manuring activity at a livestock place. The equipment needed when we are doing manuring is watering can, bottle scope and organic matter. So for the procedure, firstly, place the stalks in a prepared row and pile up the soil bag. Second, sprinkle the cow dung fertilizer along the row of the bed. And lastly, water the row by using a watering can. So for the material cost, we only use organic matter, which is cost RM 50 ringgit per unit, which is total for the organic matter was RM 100. On the other weeks, we have done the other kind of activities from the other weeks, which is pest management at migration sites. The equipment needed when doing pest management is electrical backpack sprayer, safety mask, glove, mancozeb M45, Hesta cipher and wood vinegar. So for the procedure when doing pest management is, firstly, fill in the material into the backpack sprayer, then fill in the electrical backpack sprayer with 16 liter water, and lastly, start spraying the cucumber plants by spraying it from the below to top, because the pests usually stay behind the leaf. So for the material cost, we use mancozeb M45 in around 25 gram, which is cost 70 cents. Hesta cipher around 50 millimeters, which is cost RM 1 ringgit 50 cents. And lastly, the wood vinegar we use around 50 millimeters, which is cost 50 cents. And the total for the material cost was RM 2 ringgit and 70 cents. So for the week 5 and week 6, we have been done at pineapple farm, which is the activity that have been done is harvesting. The equipment that needed is wheelbarrow, machete, glove and gardening shears. The procedure of harvesting is, it is start by harvest the pineapple by using gardening shears with the index scales needed. Second, collect and gather the pineapple at one place before taking them to grading part. And lastly, pick up the pineapple and put it into wheelbarrow and then borrow it to grading session. To sum up everything, firstly, we gathered a lot of experience. We would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to everyone who assists in the completion of this report and guide us during our industrial training. The internship we had was a fantastic opportunity for learning and professional development. As a result, we felt really fortunate to have been given the opportunity to be a part of it. We are also glad for the opportunity to meet so many lovely individuals and experts that guide us during this internship term. Took the time to listen, guide, and keep us on the right track, allowing us to complete our assignment in their renowned organization and extending throughout the training. So here we patch up some appendix and reference for you and for us to complete our task and slide. That's all from us. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.